Alright guys, got a little dent in the car. Son decided he wanted to touch somebody. So I'm gonna try this Amazon kit. Came with all these tools. I'm gonna see what I can do with it. The first thing I'm doing is letting the hot glue gun heat up, obviously. But I'm gonna take this and glue it onto this area right here where it's dented. And then I'm gonna start with using that pull handle and see what it'll do. And then I'm gonna use the pulling tool in orange right there and see what it'll do. And I'm gonna glue in about where, I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me get back a little bit. About where, let me see if I can touch it without burning myself with this hot glue gun. Safety first, you know. Dora told us that. All right, I'm gonna glue it like right here, the first one, and I'm gonna glue another one right down here and pull in both areas and see what it does. Be back in a minute. Now, as you can see, I've got both of those glued. I'm gonna take and let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes like it says, and then I'll start with the other pull tool and see what I get. It may take several re-gluings of this to get it to work right and get the results we want. We're gonna see what it'll do. It's better than, I was quoted $2,800 to fix this. So if I can do this for 45, it'd be a miracle, but we'll see. I decided to put one more tab right over here and have another pull point, and I have to put a bracket on top of each one, and that's what this hooks into, and it hook just like that, and you'll pull. So we're gonna do that and see how it turns out, and I'll be right back. All right, we're gonna take and see what this does. We're gonna move it to the next one. I didn't see it move much. I'm gonna have to try the other pulling tool. That didn't work. Okay. We'll try the other one. Now I've done two or three pulls with the what I'm calling a hammer puller with that tool down there. And next thing I've done is I'm taking, put 3 of those on there and start pulling with this. We'll see how that works. Starting to come out a little bit maybe. We'll see. Now the next try is the little wide pull bar. We glued it in the middle, and we've got 2 pads on the ends and a long pull bar here, and you just twist it and it pulls out. We're gonna do it here, here, and here. Well, we've been at this a little while. Now what you have to do to get, this is what's left after you do a pull of any kind, is this residue. You just take some alcohol, rubbing alcohol, spray it real good and let it sit for a couple minutes, and then it'll peel right off. You see it doesn't leave any residue or anything. Doesn't hurt the paint. There we go. We get our little microfiber. And you can see there's nothing there. Now to back up a little bit, you can see it's a little better. It's not perfect by any means. It wouldn't be show quality by any means, but it's a little better, and I keep working on it. I'm gonna keep working on it until I get a final product. All right, this is where we're at. Do the tools work? Yes. Don't take this as I'm knocking tools. They do exactly what they're designed to do. This was just bigger than what these tools are capable of doing. Probably gonna still go to the body shop. I know I will eventually. Just want to try to use this to save some money. It's better, definitely, but it's not close. So take it for what it's worth. Tools do work. They will get little small dents out, but they're not for repairing wrecks.